Okay, I'm gonna give you a good example of what it looked like here in Vegas. This is called sweat. See this? Because my truck, the fuel pump went off. I guess it's just like hot. When it's hot, the pump stops working. So this is what you look like in Vegas at about 100 and something degrees Fahrenheit. So burning up. Let me see what the degrees look like. I'm gonna turn this on. 121. Here you go. That's how hot it is, and I had to push that truck by myself. So all the people that be whining and all that crazy stuff, get with the program. It hurts. Trust me. But I'm in my ride now. I got air conditioning up in here. So I'm at the gas station, gonna give me some gas, I'm gonna pump me some gas, fill this baby up, and I'm on my way up to the house. But when that pump cool off, I'll be back. Take my truck home. Bye.